Hello dear students, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss how to apply sign convention for concave and convex mirror in various cases. So in our 10th standard there are mainly 6 cases in concave mirror where we applying sign convention. So here students mainly 6 things are there. It means you can see H, then H dash, then U, then V, then F, and last capital R. Okay, so here H is known as the object height, H dash is known as the image height, small u is known as the object distance, small v is known as the image distance, small f is known as the focal length, and capital R is known as the radius of curvature. So now we apply in first case. It means where position of the object at infinite distance. So here we all know our object is placed on upwards to the principal axis. So here our h is positive, then we get real and inverted image in this case. So our h dash is negative, then we measure all the distance left side of the pole. So u is also negative, v is also negative, small f is also negative, and small r is also negative. Now if we apply this sign convention at second case, it means beyond C, here h is also positive. Why? Because we placed the object is upward to the principal axis. Here we get image is real and inverted. So our h dash is negative. Then we all the distance is left side to the p. So we can say that u is also negative. Then v is also negative, f is also negative, and r is also negative. Now where we put object is between C and F. Okay, so here we also get real and inverted image. It means it is same as second case. Object height is positive and then all the remaining things are negative. Now when we moving on to next case, it means when we put the object at C, here also same, we get real and inverted image. So here also H is positive and then all the things are negative. Now when we put the object is between P and F, so here we know very well image is formed virtual and erect and it is behind the mirror. So here H is positive, then H dash, it means image height, is also positive, then U object distance is negative, then V. So here students we can measure V is the right side of the pole, so it is a positive, then F is negative and R is also negative. Now when we put the object at F, so here also we get real and inverted image. So here also H is positive and all other things are negative. Okay, now we know in convex mirror there are only two cases. Okay, so you can see here first one is at infinity and second one is anywhere between infinite distance and pole P. So here our H is positive. Okay, object type. Image is get in convex mirror is always virtual and direct. So our H dash is also positive. Now U. So we measure U is the left side of the pole. So it is a negative. And then image distance. So we measure image distance is right side of the pole. So we get positive. Same as F and R. Okay. Now when we put the object anywhere between infinite distance and pole P, so here also same. Okay. Object at positive, then image height is also positive, U negative, and another three things is positive. Okay, so students, it is our sign convention for total 8 cases, where 6 cases of concave mirror and 2 cases of convex mirror. If you like this video, then share and subscribe. Thanks for showing. Thank you so much.